In fact, the projection for the completion of this project is around 3.5 billion. And so far, the money that we have spent in that wall is around 700 something there, which is around 30% of the monies that we have in total. So in that fundraising, President gave 30 million cash at the time of fundraising, and later on he fulfilled a pledge of 200 million, totaling to 230 million, which was given, that gave us support to raise that wall. However, we pray that the remaining balance of 870 million, if given, it would help us finish the roofing, and that would take us to around 50% of the monies we need for the construction. And the other remaining money would help in the finishes of the project.
The minister was very clear that the president is burdened. There are some pledges the president still has that he has not fulfilled for years back, and ours was made in 2018. So the minister told me personally that we should keep following. She's going to see how to fix us. But in a special way, I would like to thank her, because she even told me that we shall be able to get something within 200 to 300 million coming to Nyangilia this financial year that we have just started.
As a district chair, we made a lot of communication to the officers of the NRM Secretary General. We gave a letter. We submitted the First Lady. We gave a letter, and also the Office of National Chairman. We gave letters to remind His Excellency about his pledge to complete the Archdeacon of Koboko, Maine. I think that's really what we are going, and we pray that when he goes back, he'll be able to remind His Excellency that we need to complete. Indeed, the house has been there for quite a long time. To us as leaders, it looks as if we have committed a crime.
Therefore, the president made a pledge. That's good when somebody supports you, and so it means that all people should stop contributing. People should continue to complete their church. There are many pledges, but each time they pay us slowly and slowly, and we keep working.